This is a tutorial on code.org, obviously. This is lesson 7. It's from chapter 2, CS Discoveries, chapter 2. It's lesson 7 of chapter 2. We're on part 4. We're talking about HTML and images. Let's see what we're doing. So, the details matter. The src attribute, which stands for source, the source attribute needs to point to the exact file name of an image you want to use. That means you need to pay attention to spelling, capitalization, and file extension. Each of the 3 images on this page is broken because of an improper src attribute or source attribute. Using the file menu for reference, that is this guy over here, that's our file menu, that's like a folder on a computer. Using the file menu for reference, fix each of the image tags. Note, even though the images are not loading properly, our website is still showing descriptive text of what should be there because we used alt attributes. Cool. I like their exclamation mark here. This is what they're talking about, right? So the alt tags is what loads if the image doesn't for some reason, these guys. So, and our alt tags, red sky, so on and so forth. What we have going on here, all right, none of those are going. Well, here's our red sky image, and it says red sky. Let's see. Ah, I see a problem. Let's see. Is there an image over here that just says red dot? There's not. So this should look like this. So it looks like I need to add an underscore. Ah, and look at that. It pops up. I can hit enter if I want to do that. I, of course, can also just write it in myself, and boom. If you have fixed this and it's still not showing, you might need to hit refresh and save. Sometimes it won't pop up until you refresh the page yourself. So that's one down. I'm going to just shrink the instructions so I can see the code a bit better. Green. All right, image, src, grass. Yeah, that looks good. Alt green grass. All right, what's wrong with... Oh, well, wait a minute. That says grass. Aha. They're tricking us here. Well, they're trying. This must be capitalized. Again, code must be exact. Computers are dumb, humans are smart. We got to tell it exactly what we need. And ta-da, we have green grass. Again, if that didn't load, click right there, refresh and save, and it should pop up for you. Let's see what's going on here. Image.src. src's right. Ooh, I think blue is misspelled. Let's try that. And there we are. I think we have a successful run of this, and we can go ahead and move on to the next lesson.